If you're Igbo or you're a lover of Igbo foods and you do not know this meal, I'm sorry, but you need to hop on this because this is delicious, this is filling, this is nutritious. Welcome to my channel and stay tuned for this video. In case you're wondering, this is called Fio Fio pigeon pea, and I have a detailed recipe on how to make pigeon pea, on how to make Fio Fio. So it can be made separately just with yam, or it can be made with this dried cocoyam called achicha. So the first thing to do is to put the Fio Fio on fire. This takes a while to cook, but using a pressure cooker, you can get it done in like 30 minutes. And the brown one definitely cooks faster than the colored ones. Using a mortar, we roughly broke the dried cocoyam. So you don't want it to be in powder form, but you want it to look like this. So after we had done that, we washed this just once and soaked it in water for 5 minutes. And after that, we sieved it, and look at that. That looks so good. So this is dried cocoyam that is usually cut, and yeah, it is called achicha. So afterwards, we put it in a nylon, and 2 nylons actually, so that water doesn't get into it. And then we put it into the already softened Fio Fio. And this is where things get interesting. Mind you, the achicha was put into the Fio Fio when it was already done, and we just let the achicha stay for just 10 minutes. Anything less than 10 minutes and you may not have a properly cooked achicha. So we sieved this and we just mixed it together, and it was looking so good already. The amount of palm oil needed for this is a lot. It actually takes a lot of oil. So in a pot, we put in palm oil, a lot of it, and immediately it was hot, not so hot. We put in the onion, Scotch bonnet, crayfish, Ukpaka, some salt, some seasoning, stir that up together, and I just let it simmer for a minute. And look at how gorgeous that looks. So in we go with the achicha and the Fio Fio, some more salt, a lot more crayfish, a little bit of Utazi, that's optional, but it helps with the taste, and then green, and everything was stirred nicely. This tasted so good, and I really hope that you will try this. It's very easy, and I believe I was detailed enough with the explanation. Let me know if you're going to try it. And we garnished with some onion, pepper, some more Utazi. This was so good, and you can tell from looking at it that it's a highly nutritional food. So thank you for watching.